Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbud SOUNDCORE C30i. You have to start by opening the application, because firstly we need to add it to the controls. So you will see this menu, click on your earbuds here, and then go to the controls. Now decide you wanna call a Siri with the left one or right one earbud and tap at the best one for you. I'm going with the left one, but it's the same as the right one. And then decide you wanna use double press, triple press or press and hold. I'm going with the press and hold, but it's the same with another option. So now click on it and select Siri. And now let's check it. So if I press and hold at the touch area at my left earbud, I should call it Siri. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!